folks, very good afternoon. It was a bit windy. Let me just get here. Now we're at the where are we? We're at the cheesy shack down here at St Andrews, folks. After a bit of a confab about what we were going to have to eat. I'll tell you about that later. So here, folks, look, Dr. Tenner. Good Lord. Wow. Folks, a Dr. Tenner on the floor there. It was in my pocket. I thought, where's that tenner? Luckily it was just sitting outside the car there. So this is for lunch. What did you say to you? What did you say to you, Rosie? I said it'd be hot, didn't I? That was an absolute disaster. Absolute disaster, folks. Absolute disaster. I put my sandwich down there because there was a space. I thought we could get a space. And the seagulls absolutely snaffled it, man. Absolutely snaffled it. Look, I'm just going to sit here, man. Sod it. Honestly, it's really windy down here, down the front. So that was an absolute disaster there, folks. Absolute disaster. Rosie's called me a, sorry about that, hand in the way. Rosie called me a walking disaster. And because I dropped a £10 note to start with, but managed to get that. And then was sitting down the front, trying to find a space to park. So I thought I found an empty space. So I put the food still in this bag on the space. I said, Rosie, just stand here. And as soon as I said that, the seagulls swooped down and they got one of the toasties, man. They took the bag and booted the little fucker. So, excuse language. And but there's too many of them. I couldn't hold them off, man. There was far too many of them. And they got away with all my toasties. And the other toastie was all over the place. That was an absolute nightmare, disaster. 1 out of 10. Here we go. £2.20. Now where did you put the money in? Here we go. Right, folks, we've made it here to St Andrews, and it's nice and sunny, a bit windy, but we've got a space to park. And we thought Thursday afternoon, yeah, it'd be fairly quiet, but no, it's not. It's absolutely poaching. Right, let's go in here. So have a look in here. Oh, well, a lovely window, man. This lovely, it's a lovely area now. I forgot to put the clocks forward for me. Patrick Hamilton. There's that spot PH. There's little shops here, look. Some jigsaws, different ones. The World of Local Parliament with 100 clues to spot.
Remember there used to be like a village there? When did that be?
Here we are in H&M, sorry. Well, I've got myself a nice new top. I think about buying this baseball cap as well. I don't know, do I suit a baseball cap? Bro wears them all the time, but just for, because my hair's all over the place. Look at this, it's just a mess. So I thought I could maybe do that, or even I could wear it back to front like the Americans do. There you go, how's that? Right. I think we'll get that as well. Right, there we go. See what Rosie says. Got to consult the main lady first, see what she says. A relaxed fit. I know I wore white jeans. No, very good, is it? Yeah. What's going on? alive, alive. Oh, they're pecking it to death. Oh, good lord. Truth, man. Good lord. Shit, man. Awesome. Shit, folks. 140 pounds. Oh, wait. I like the shirt. I like that one. Fun? No, I don't get anything done. Okay. No, just getting to say, look. Whee. Right now, we're left 2:45.
Yeah, but they always do things like that. They do them like
and then just throw it on the ground. That's it. This is good as well.
Just. There we go. Look. There we go. Right, folks. Raspberry Ripple from Ionetta's Gelateria. I'm going to go as far to say as this is possibly, in fact, I think it is one of the best ice creams I've ever had. And the chocolate waffle cone, that more than makes up for the toasty disaster. This is going to get a 10 out of 10, folks. Yes, she's made it a 10 out of 10. Right, folks, here's the best yellow lines ever. I think this is superb. Look at this. Look at that yellow, as if anybody's going to park there. You know what I mean? And there's your yellow lines. Look. Now there's a song by the Libertines called Time for Heroes, and there's a lyric that goes, there are fewer more distressing sights than that of an Englishman in a baseball cap, and we'll die in a class of our own. Class of our own, my love. Yeah, so I have a baseball cap. But, and this as well. But these were bought in the women's department, so I must be wearing women's. Am I wearing women's clothes, darling? Yeah. Yes, I am, but it's a new fashion trend. Wearing women's clothes. Thank you. Right, at the Balgove Larder Barn. We stopped here once before and had a steak. But it was before video cameras were invented, so. But anyway, we're going to see what we can find. Let's get some chili jam. This thing's granddad. Look at this. Z-car. Just tonight's tea sauce. I've got some biscuits, some chili jam, and some soft cheese. There we go. Lovely. Now to finish off our day, folks, we've got a nice Belgian bun and some coffee. I'm gonna sit down here for just chilling out. It's 3 o'clock, but for Thursday, it's still everything's really busy, isn't it? Yeah, everything's really busy. We thought it'd be nice and quiet on Thursday, but no. But there you go. So a good day. Did you enjoy your day out, Rosie?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Lovely, thank you. Now my wife just paid me a great compliment. Then she said, "Oi, you Jack, you look like that boy from the Rolling Stones." I went, "Oh, Mick Jagger." She went, "No, the other one." I said, "Oh, you mean like Keith Richards, man? Keith Richards." She went, "Yeah, that's it." I was like, "Keith Richards, man, he's my hero. It's brilliant." "Yeah, man, Keith Richards, fucking awesome. Here, Marlon, I'm fed up being the dad. You go and get me a Coke, son, could you? Yeah. Oh, wait, I go and play my famous guitar riff. There's my guitar down here. I've got my guitars all stashed down here nice and see them all down here all on the same stand. I can only afford one guitar stand, so I've got 2 guitars." I'm in trouble, 'cause you see right through my lies. You can tell by looking straight into my eyes. And I have long, strong love on the run, and I've got my learning gun. But I won't shoot until I see the whites of their eyes. tell by looking straight into my eyes. But you're